Top 6 Healthiest Spices. 1. Cumin. Not only is ground cumin delicious, but it also has health advantages that make it a valuable addition to any spice collection. In addition to being high in minerals, cumin can help with digestion. 2. Basil. It's difficult to top the spicy flavor of fresh basil. A terrific method to infuse many foods with flavorful basil is through pesto. Due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, basil may support cardiovascular health. Basil also has an antibacterial effect, as if that weren't enough. 3. Rosemary. Rosemary may remind you of pine because it has a similar taste and scent. It also has slight minty notes. Rosemary also helps the immune system to be more resilient and may boost blood flow and hence brain function. If you have stomach troubles, rosemary can help soothe your digestive tract. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric has a distinct flavor and is used in numerous Indian-style recipes. It has a sour, slightly bitter flavor and is commonly blended with cumin, cardamom, and other spices to balance the bitterness. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory effects and is widely used to treat arthritis. It also helps relax the digestive tract. 5. Nutmeg. Nutmeg has a nutty flavor, but it has its own distinctive taste. It is commonly used in baking, sweets, savory sauces, and cocktails. Nutmeg has cleansing effects, which is why it is a common addition in detox drinks. Nutmeg can also be used to promote sleep and as a natural cure for a variety of common stomach issues. 6. Cardamom. Cardamom has its own distinct flavor and is widely used in Indian cuisine. It also tastes fantastic in baked products and coffee. Perhaps the most essential reason to eat more cardamom is for its digestive benefits, which helps alleviate symptoms like indigestion, upset stomach, and heartburn. Cardamom is also thought to have a beneficial impact on blood pressure since it is high in fiber and acts as a diuretic, both of which can help lower blood pressure. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. Leave a comment down below on what video you'd like to see next.